my name is Junior. I'm currently the office manager here at Green Tree Air Conditioning and a previous technician. Today we're going to walk you through on how to go ahead and set your thermostat when you're treating your drain line before your preventative maintenance. To treat your drain line on your own, it should be done once a month. So the first thing we want to do is walk over to the thermostat here. On this thermostat, you see there are 3 settings: cool, off, and heat on the right side. We want to go ahead and set it to off because we want the unit completely shut off while we're doing this. You see you have your 3 sections here on your thermostat. On this particular model, you have cool, off, and then heat to the right. You're gonna go ahead and wanna have it right here in the center on off, which is where it's at currently. Alrighty, now we go ahead and walk over to identify our air handler unit here. Every air handler has a drain line, which you can see here is this white PVC pipe. We wanna find the access T on the drain line, and by doing that, we can go ahead and notice that there is a cap on this PVC pipe right here. With a light tug up, and if you wiggle it a little bit, you should be able to get it out. And then you have full access to your drain line here. Alrighty, now that we've located your access T, I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to keep your drain line clear and what to put into it. So, in this hand I have half a cup of white vinegar, and in this hand I have half a cup of warm water. Alright, now that we know what we're using, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to pour your vinegar into the access T here at the drain line. So, typically we want to use a funnel, but today we just have a cup, so we're going to make it work with what we have. Easily, all you have to do is put the tip right up to the PVC T and pour slowly. White vinegar typically goes first. And then you want to put the whole cup and then follow it by a warm cup of water. And that's how you maintain your drain line. Now that we went ahead and cleared the drain line, I just want to explain a little bit of why it's so important to do so. Typically, people have their units maintenance twice a year, once every 6 months. But due to the such high humidity we have in South Florida, we require that you pour this solution down your drain at least once a month. You should be checking your filter same time as you pour the solution down, just because it's super important for the health of your unit. Now that we're done with the drain line, the next important thing you want to make sure you check is your filter. Every once a month, you want to at least pull it out the bottom, depending on the application of your unit. Typically, it's underneath. You always want to make sure the metal is facing up, and you just want to hold it up to the light to see if you see any dust or dirt or dander inside the filter. And if you do, then that means it's ready to be changed. All right, now that we're done checking the filter, the last step is to go ahead and turn your thermostat back on so your air conditioner starts running again. So all you have to do is go back to the button I brought you to before, where we slid it to the center to turn off. On this model, you're going to go ahead and click it to the left and then set it to the desired temperature you like. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, regular maintenance is the key to extending the life of your air conditioner. Stay tuned for more do-it-yourself tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need any service, maintenance, or installation in South Florida, make sure to give us a call at 954-657-8498.